Hi Librans, welcome to my channel. This is a general tarot reading for the upcoming week. Love or career, whatever comes, the messages will be clear. Let's see what your week has. Knight of Swords in reverse, Five of Cups, the Empress. So the bottom of the deck which you don't see is Knight of Pentacles, somebody young coming towards you, some fresher offer in terms of job, in terms of career. Knight of Swords in reverse, it says that I think you're turning down an offer which came lately to you, because you don't feel it's something that you're looking for right now, because I think you're stuck on the past. I have been telling you in all your readings, get over this person, but I think love means love. So you're still looking at those cups which are filled. You're not looking at the new offers behind you. You're focused on what you've lost, and you're in this Emperor energy where you feel that this is what I want, this is what I deserve. I won't accept anything less, which is a very good thing. Let me clarify the Knight of Swords in reverse. Okay. 4 cards. Let's see. So yes, you're not taking an offer, which is very clear, because I think you're very clear, that you have a passion for your ex only, or even if it's not an ex, it's somebody which was on and off, but you have very strong emotions for them. You feel that there is still a lot of passion, though you have not been in touch for a while. I think you feel this week you will feel a renewed passion for them, or they will feel a renewed passion for you. This is not over yet. I think you're right. This is everything. I think this person will come back and give you everything that you wanted. The full happiness, family. If you see this, everything, dogs, family, everybody getting together. Just a rich, happy family. Rich in terms of emotion. It could be money too. So let me clarify, why are you still sad about? What are you still sad about? Alright. So you were sad about the fact that they didn't accept you, or you didn't accept them first when the offer was offered. And there were a lot of options around you or around them. And every option looked good, and that's why probably either they didn't want to go forward with you, or you didn't want to go forward with the offer. But I think this renewed passion, this is a younger energy. Maybe they are younger than you, which is true. But I think there's a lot of passion. There's a lot of passion, in this connection still there, which is, I think, getting renewed again. Let me clarify the Empress again. All right. Now you're looking at the hard work you've put in, because I think you were the only one putting in hard work. There was only hard work put in from one side, again and again and again and again, and you had really deep feelings for them, but they were hiding something from you. They had not either expressed their emotions, or even let you know even a little bit that they have emotions for you, and because they were not very sure about you then, because they were deciding between. But I think now they know. Let me take out 3 more cards. 3 more cards, please. Yeah. So now they're heartbroken. Now they really want quick decisions. They really want, because I think that they have a clear intuition as to who is the right person for them. That is you. So they want to come towards you. They really want to take this step towards you, because they're not very happy with where they are right now, because they are being drawn towards you by this emotion. The Fool card is, very quick judgments, very quick energy. So they want to quickly come towards you now. There's a renewed passion. I think that is the reason, like I said in the beginning, that I have been telling you to let go. But most of you are not letting go of this connection. That is the reason, because there's still fire left in this connection, and both of you will try to renew this connection going forward very soon. Let's take out some major arcana cards. Emperor, Hangman, and the hermit. So hermit and high priestess. So you both are very intuitive people. You both, one is emperor and one is empress. Both major arcana came. So you both are you both hermit and again high priestess. You both are a right match for each other. I'm quite surprised, and their perspective will change. If they were the ones who didn't come out and express their emotions for you, I think now they will do. Now they're very clear. They have a change of heart. They want to really give it a chance again, and they want to really see where it goes now, because I think both the cards come in: Emperor, Empress, Hermit, and the High Priestess. I think you both are intuitive. You both are the best in your fields. You both are. You both see each other as the best counterpart, as the best partner. You are both very psychic, very intuitive. You both are very nice people, nice at heart, but at the same time very mature. So this is a right match as per them and as per you. Let me see some love messages for you. Let me see some love messages for you. Alright. You'll find what you seek, which is very clear. You have been seeking this for quite some time now, Librans. Don't be misled. Dwell on what you love. So don't be misled by outside forces which you are not, very clearly. You will find what you seek, but this connection still has a very, very positive chance of going forward and converting it into something substantial. So I think focus on love, don't be misled, and you will find what you seek. Let us see how you can handle the situation. Let us see how you can handle the situation. Welfare work, protected, and this comes a lot in your reading and this person's reading. Your connection is protected by a higher power. Show humility. If they come back with an apology, don't be potato head. Do some charity work. Lot is going on. I think for Librans, they are very nice hearted, and they think of the community as a whole. So I think for your own, the mental stress that you're going through, to come out of it, I think it advised that you go and do some charity, do some community work. Take out that love that you have in you. Take out for people around you, because this connection is clearly protected. You don't need to dwell on it, take stress about it a lot, because this is protected. Be humble when they come. And I think you will find what you seek very clearly. This is all I have for the coming week or days, and we will meet very soon again.